Alright, hello. Today is, I think, the third stream for cutscenes and events. I'm just gonna be continuing on through the little opening prologue scene here. And, just pretty much doing what needs to be done as far as the events go. So where we left off is most of this initial little scene is finished now. Maybe some little tiny details that change later on. I'm gonna add some more animations with Barry and Olivia. Barry's the dog, so they can be walking around, maybe add some movements for the other people just in the background. The first thing I want to change is I did some work off stream with the character art, and I changed some stuff where I need to adjust Theo now. Because he's kind of off screen there. But he really needs to be, let's see, 0. He really needs to be like left, like 100. And that's because of different expressions of his that were wider than others. I think what I need to do is add like a offset for every character that I can just set. Somewhere. Probably just do it here. Just adjust the sprite, I think. Should be right. Might possibly use Y at some point as well. Need some more code that's gonna flip this depending on which side he's on. So we'll say it's like positive. He's on the left. It's like kind of the default. I guess I can do here. I have a position when I create it. Sometimes I think... No, it's always right or left. Okay, good. After we set it based on the left, if the position's on the right, we'll flip the X. Should be good. And that looks better. There's a rendering error. Got a line above his head. Change that. There's some of these. I guess I added new ones. Just get these updated. That should fix that. Okay. So I think that's... Let's see if there's... Kind of waiting on some animations for Olivia and Barry to finish putting the finishing touches on the scene. I think I'll just move on. Alright, Theo looks much better now. Then you walk up here. There's Barry running after us. And then this is where the game's going to teach you to head through bushes. I have a tiny little piece of automatic dialogue that I want Layla, the leader, to say. Got her saying, looks like we're gonna have to cut our way through. And then there'll be an on-screen message that says, like, push the cut button, whatever that is. Cut the bushes. And I think what I'm gonna do is leave the message on the screen until you cut a bush. I might not have her say anything, though. I'll have her say something. I'll put like a zone kind of here. That will trigger the scene. Let's see, is that really what I did? Yeah, type a name and then custom stuff. I have a cheat sheet for this stuff. Hello, Zelda743. How's it going? Welcome in. And then we need a name of the event, which is going to be... Prologue Cut Bushes. Going good, good to hear. Slowly making my way through this prologue. Writing all the events for it. And I think that's it. I want these 4 bushes to trigger the tutorial text to disappear from the screen. I already have scripted. That might be fine, that might be what I need. Let's check. It's cool, been working on a game and trying to implement raycasting. That sounds possibly complex. I mean, most engines should do that for you, right? What software are you using? Let's see, our scripted bushes. Like bush A. I think is what I need. Using Godot, but I can't seem to get it to work the way I want. I've never used that. I wish I could help, but never even downloaded it. I know it's popular today though. Are you making a 2D or 3D game? And are you doing raycasting for graphics or for some kind of logic? Rudy, gotcha. It does make it a little bit easier, but still difficult. Using it for logic, gotcha. That kind of stuff is fun once you get it working, but it can be tricky to deal with. It looks like A is the more compact one, and then B is that one. I want to replace these standard objects with some of these. They will look different in the engine based on this. This is just for the editor. So I don't feel like changing it. This will make it more obvious they're scripted bushes too. I have to think a little bit on what method makes the most sense for them triggering an action when you cut them. Basing the game off a show, I'm using it to see if you're close enough to scan a creature. Oh, I see. Is it like an exploration type of game where you're exploring a planet or something? That's what I think of when I hear scanning stuff. Oh no, oh that's fine, that's fine. So I need a prologue cut bushes event. Let's just do that and then go from there. Which disables your movement. Gotcha. Just checking what I did there. Let's see, where is dialogue? That. All this is one piece of dialogue, and then I guess I'll add an event to show, and then I need to create from scratch. A little tutorial text screen. Exploration aspect, but it's similar to Pokemon. Kind of monster collection game. Okay. Still cool. I wish you good luck with it. Have you been working on it very long? haven't played a Pokemon game in a long time. Alright, let's just test that. Creating a new spawn point just to test quicker. This will be default. Name that default 2 for now so it doesn't get used. Spawn here and test this out. Hopefully that works. Second day working on it. Oh, that's early. That's early. It worked, but it's a lot higher than I thought it would be. Be like down there. See, it should be like right over that stump, the same height. I think we got some positioning, which I thought I fixed a long time ago. Yeah, it's up far. The teleport's fine. It's this one. This is not. Minus Y, minus half height. Spawn. Spawn's fine. Event trigger. Minus Y, minus half height. Like some of these other ones might be wrong as well. Which is not. I think it's a quirk of the editor where if you do a box like this, it measures from the bottom. If you do an image, it measures from the top or something. Trying to test it out. Okay, image measures from the bottom. That's where Y is 0. And box is different. Box measures from the top. Weird. But at least I understand it. Alright, should be good now. Let's make sure. It's good, it's the wrong text. Because I copied it. So that'll be all we need. There. Back to the event and set that. Push. Now she'll say the right thing. Need to set up the tutorial text. And to decide if I want the text to be at the top of the screen or the bottom. I'll do top. So I'll just go. I have to add a new object here. Yeah, I already have. Forget what it's called. I haven't used it in so long. Alert message. That's it. Copy that. Call it instruction message. Keep that for now. That'll be okay. Move upload. Probably only ever have one instruction on the screen at a time, but I already have alerts set up to use a list. I'll just copy that in case we actually do need multiple instructions. They'll just appear above one another. The alerts automatically faded out after a certain time, but I'm not gonna do that here. We're gonna manually call fade out when you complete the instruction. That should be fine for now. Then I want an event to show it. Actually, hold on. I have to do some stuff with the buttons too. Should be mostly set up. Must be code bush instruction. I really need like two separate things because I want to show like a button icon. So it'll be press the X button to swing your sword. So like press would need to be like one text, and then to swing your sword would be the second one. Be one way to do it. Let's do this. A simple instruction message just got a lot more complicated because I want to be able to include icons. I have a method been on stream a while back to show icons in dialogue. It's a completely different system though. I might be able to see what I did there and kind of reuse some of that code. Alright. Not gonna do the same method there, that's not gonna work. Do string message, and we'll also do a list sprites. And then we'll just do a I'm gonna tag within the message to insert the sprite. So let's store the sprite. We will just have one instruction. Just store the icon in indices. Let's do 0 to do the first one. This should work. This should work. This will be fine. It'll be kind of weird, but it'll work. We want to just like step through character by character on the message. I think. What do I use? Just the array accessor. Which I was this bracket. You have to test this out with multiple icons as well. It's gonna be a much bigger project than I thought it was gonna be, but that's how it goes. I need a list of texts. Text pieces. I think I need start text. So when we reach a bracket, we'll say a list of texts too. What's that? The text is gonna be message substream start to I minus start index. That's the link. So then we need the integer inside the brackets. To test this a few times, there's going to be some off by one errors for sure. Index of that with a start index. Okay. The length. I think this needs to be like this one. That to an int, but I'm gonna print it out because it's probably wrong now. It might be right. I'm like 50-50 on it. So we'll do something with the index there. We'll just ignore that for now. Say new start index is, so you want right bracket. And then the start index for the next text piece will be right bracket index plus 1. And then we'll set I to that as well. We have to do start index -1 because the loop. That's it. So that's kind of weird and ugly, but it'll be fine. Yeah, I might be wrong. We also need to add the text piece when the loop ends. I'm just gonna add like a separate function. So then if the loop ends, we'll check to see if I have to run some tests. Sure there is text on the end. Create text piece. Here, test out. We got the correct text pieces. Let's see what that does. Alright, let's trigger it from the event. Need a new event action. Just have to pass all the same parameters over from the instruction via string and list of sprites. So I can create it here, and that would be fine. Then it would be add instruction. The instruction created when the event was created. That will happen after the dialogue closes. Just it's in an empty list for now. I'll look up how to do it later. Trying to get the text strings to work for now. I think this will print out as soon as I launch the game. That's when the event is created. And therefore the instruction message created. I got press, and then that looks right. Space. Cut off the E though. I got 8. 0. Yes, that is 0. Good. There is a space there. That's correct. Looks like the only thing that's wrong is that. So that's very cool. Alright. Cool, cool, cool. Get all of our text pieces. We also need the alignment positioning is gonna be annoying. Be back in a second. Oh, I'm back. I'm looking for this sprite I need. I have code for buttons. Button icons, I just forgot where that is. Here we go. Get button sprite. That's what I need. And what this does is you give it like a button that's, I think, based on, in the code it's based on an Xbox controller. But it'll show up Xbox controller, PlayStation, or keyboard icon, depending on what you're using. It's the idea behind this system. So this is just is a display. Okay. Apparently I need it to be an instance for some reason. It's fine, whatever. So that's what I need there. I'm just pouring more tea. It shows up on the camera. Set our icons list. Back to here, where we're building it. We got our sprite index correct. Need some way. Yeah. Need some way to store the order of text icon, text icon. I mean, we'll probably just always alternate. There'll definitely never be text text because it only gets split up with an icon. Possibly be icon icon though. We'll cross that bridge when it. Just assume it just alternate. I do need to know which one it starts with though. We need a different sprite list than the icons. The icons are just like what's used in the text, and then this list will be the order at which they're used. Possible the same icon could be used multiple times in the same message. That's why we need a new list. Also need here we'll do a 5-0. Text first is false. So it should be set up. Oh, correctly. Just need to add the sprite. Don't. This needs to be. I actually need a separate. need a for positioning. I need a total. Actually, float. And whenever we create a text piece, we'll do total width. That. And then whenever we add a sprite, I believe it's gonna be scales. Possibly not be correct. We'll do that. That should always be correct. So now we should finally be able to position I actually want to copy that. I could add a clone method to the sprite. Surprised I've never needed that until now. Eventually I might need to override this for an animated sprite. But for now, I'll just do it on the base sprite. Don't want to figure out how to do something, you just make a comment saying the method doesn't do that thing. Programming pro tip. So we'll have to add spacing. I'm just gonna ignore that for now. I think. I think that's right. We'll loop through. Next piece is text. Say. Next piece is current text index. Position is. We'll do alignment. What's the default alignment? Middle center. What? Middle left. Alignment. Next piece is text. Text piece. Location's gonna be negative half total width. Awesome. Let's do it this way. Start at the X as half the total width. Negative half the total. That increase current X by the width of the text. So we'll do the sprite and then flip this. Right centered, so we'll do current X plus. Input, if I create the text wrong, this could be an infinite loop, but should show up. I do that pretty easily. I'd probably have to rewrite it. Comment. Should be fine for now, because I manually create the instructions. That positions them, increases the current X. I think the only problem, ideally, this is alright. Probably not. It should work, there just shouldn't be any space between the text and the icon. It'll be an easy fix. So I want to fade out each sprite. Alright, let's see what happens. That was a lot of work. We got text, we got a button. That's already like centered correctly. Close to it. The shadow's off. Fix that. I probably just need to offset this. How big is that? I need to make it bigger too. I want to affect the position. Y0 to Y5. So a few different things. The sprite position. Is 5. It's gonna scale with the UI. Shadow is broken because we add the outline before. A little quirk with how I do the outline. We want to add the outline after we position it. That should fix the outline, and then I wanted to make the sprite bigger. Should be all the way back here. Do that. Apparently the width measurement, I thought it wasn't going to take into effect the spaces, but it does, so that's great. The wrong button though. It's X on the keyboard. Oh no, that's X on controller too. So, show an X because I have an Xbox controller plugged in. That should fix that, ideally. Nope. Let's figure out what's going on there. Okay. That's annoying. Might just... Hey, old Greker. Welcome in. How's your day going? The problem here is the sprite for the Xbox X button is created when the map loads. This event is created. So then if you then switch your gamepad type to like keyboard, it's already loaded the Xbox button. So you really need to like load the correct gamepad sprite when the event fires. So I'd have to... Actually won't be that big of a deal. I'll have to switch the logic over to the event, actually. Bedtime, so I was live way too late. It's all good, it's all good. I started streaming way later than normally today. I usually stream around noon my time. I didn't get started till 5. It was all good, it was planned that way. Leave a lurk, thank you very much. Awkward because normally when you create this instruction message you just want the sprites, but in this case I want buttons. I think I'll make another one. I think I'll make like a subclass of this. Thank you for the lurk. I think that's the first time I've seen my little lurk command. The limitation here is just going to be trying to think. I can do buttons and they'll be up to date. Trying to think of a way to do buttons and icons potentially. If that's easy, I'll do it. If not, it's fine. It'll probably not ever be needed. Now, because of how the instruction message works, how I clone the sprites into a new order, I don't think it actually matters. What I can do to show instruction with buttons, extends show instruction, detected, message, icons, which might be null, probably usually be null. I want a list of When we create it, we'll store the buttons, which in this form are just the button types. Gotta adjust this a little bit. Store the parameters. That's literally all I had to do. Just had to move this over there. I don't need this at all. Don't need that at all. Alright, I'm holding on. I literally think that's all I had to do. Definitely overthought that. This should be fine now. Hello, Oren. I'm good. How are you? I waited a little bit because of that. I wish I could disable ads, but Twitch does not allow you to. Even though I get like, what, 3 viewers? Which forces you to watch ads and I earn like 1/100th of a penny from it to annoy viewers with. It's not a good deal. But unfortunately, it's unavoidable. Okay, so that maybe worked. It just saved my setting. Option, let's go to auto. Should default back to Xbox now. Didn't. No, I wasn't overthinking it. Okay, because I can't get the sprite there yet. Was not overthinking. Don't mind, awesome. Welcome in, I hope you're having a good day. Just now starting to make some decent progress on this little tutorial message that's supposed to come up on screen. Do you actually need this? That stores the buttons and then start. This is where we're going to create the button sprite. Checking stuff out because played Enchanted Cave 2 a while ago. Awesome. Oh, you had a Twitch? Oh yeah. Welcome in, it's good to see you. I'm glad you enjoyed the Enchanted Cave 2. That was a long time ago now. I'm working on a very ambitious action RPG currently. I'm very excited for it. Coming along well. It's gonna be like a bigger public announcement sometime soonish. I keep saying soonish, but stuff is getting done. There's just a lot to work on. But it's exciting stuff. Email me a while ago. Awesome. I hope I responded to it. So instead of show instruction action, we want to show instruction with buttons. Instead of icons. Icons is going to be null. We'll do move this over. For now, we'd want to do a list of buttons. Do a list of input buttons. Buttons add X. Buttons. Should work on advertising. Yeah, advertising's a difficult area. Fortunately, don't have a computer. All good, all good. I'm glad you enjoyed the Enchanted Cave too. Good to see you in here. So we'll pass in just the basic buttons, which is just an enum. Store it, so then when we start the action, this is where we'll actually finally create the sprite. Button sprite, we'll do each input button, buttons, button. Let's just set scale, and then we will add it. Do icons. Here we'll do icons. Be a little more optimized. Parameters null. So we will always have at least an empty list here. How often do I work on the game? Pretty much every day. I don't work all day. Mostly in the mornings. Today's a weird day where I'm working in a late afternoon, evening. But try to get some time in. Probably like 6 days a week. I don't work a full 8 hours most days though. There's a lot to do. I try to spread out, like whether I'm doing programming or design or writing or art. Makes it a little more manageable. I only stream like once a week though. A lot of the work I do is too boring to stream, so I try to save the more interesting stuff for stream. So create the button sprite, and now we can just add it to icon. Add button sprite. That protected. And then now we can call base start action. It is enjoyable most of the time. Well, some of the time. Half the time. Sometimes it can be very frustrating. Generally speaking, it's enjoyable. You just gotta find the motivation to keep making progress so you can see more interesting stuff. Alright, let's test this out. I feel like I might be forgetting something. Let's see. So we got auto, should be Xbox. It's not. It's weird. Doesn't hurt to stream anyways. Maybe one day you'll get a whole penny. Yeah, that's the... I think I've passed a penny, but I'm not much further than it. Fortunately. It's honestly crazy that Twitch puts ads on poor viewer streams. Like, neither one of us, me or you Twitch, neither one of us is making money from that. I guess they make money because they put it on like 1 million streams, so they'll make like $1,000 or something. While it's nothing for us, and it just is annoying for viewers. Let's see when this fires. Yeah, they got enough small streamers to make money from it. So that's good. It hasn't... Should be correct. Unless auto is broken. It might actually be the problem because I'm using keyboard. So that's actually how auto should work. Controller. There we go. Weird how it didn't... I guess it defaults. Controller when it first starts. Fine. So like, keyboard now. You always gamepad. There, good. Alright, finally. Hey, CJ, welcome in. You don't mind the ads, Oren? That's good. It's good. I used to, and then I watched so much Twitch that I finally broke down and bought Turbo. Is that what they call it? Twitch Turbo? Yeah. How's your day, CJ? Good to see you. Progress is going well. We just made some good progress on this very simple instruction. I need to make it fade in though. It should be fairly easy. This is my game. This is this Order of Athanor. It's an action RPG. There'll be like a bigger public announcement soonish. in the meantime, I've got plenty to work on. That looks good. I need to fade in the instruction. Let's see what happens. I do have Discord. Thank you for the link, CJ. That should work. It's not super active, but it's there. It's there. It's becoming more active. Yes, excellent timing. I should do that command myself more often. I forget it's there. CJ's a Twitch expert. Like, there's gotta be a Discord command. Existing is the first step, that's true. Need to go to... add instruction. This is what adds it. Oh, it does call show. Okay, show just doesn't... currently doesn't do anything. I'm gonna do this and this. Let's rename that to fade. Also have a fade in time that's a little longer. Guess I'll keep the fade out time shorter. See what that looks like. Then show, we'll do text set alpha 0. Fade in time. Oh, that's not the right thing. Do I have fade in? Guess I'll make a fade in function. Look forward to chatting with you on Discord. Awesome. You're more than welcome to join. I look forward to it as well. There's a bunch of random channels in there. If you want to post your pets or food or any games you're playing. I check it pretty regularly. Do a fade in method, and it'll go through all this stuff there. I think that should work. Show fade in. In. Do the same thing here. Sprite. Should probably add a shortcut for this, but I've done it so many times. I need it. A couple games, just got into Dark Souls and Elden Ring. Awesome. I just finished Elden Ring about a month ago. It was a lot of fun. took me forever to play it. I didn't play it. I played it like kind of off and on, different weeks. But it's good stuff. I like all the Souls games. I didn't do everything there was to do in Elden Ring, but most of it, I guess. Elden Ring was the first Souls. That's awesome. Funny. I like Dark Souls 1 a lot. I haven't played Bloodborne. I'd like to play that at some point. I've never played Demon Souls either. Dark Souls 3 was the first one you played. That one's pretty good. I think we might be good. Let's see what this looks like. It crashed. Sprites is small? Weird. Trying every ending. Nice. I played it so long ago, I forget which ending I got. Already created. What's going on here? Yeah, that sounds probably what I did. Probably whatever the default ending was. Why is sprites in the hole? What does this do? Like, there's clearly a sprite. It's not in the list. That didn't fade in the text at all. There's another X over here. What is going on? I think that's the original. Clone it. Doesn't show up, so that's good. It is long and complicated, yeah. I remember it being long. Alright, where's my text at? It's here. Yeah, I didn't like the second Dark Souls too much. I remember. I feel like it was very forgettable. It's crashing because sprites... The list of sprites is null for some reason. I'm also trying to figure out why the text isn't showing up. I am doing that differently. Man, I gotta write. Keep tween color. I did write it. Hold on. Text alpha, yeah. Does that take a UI custom text set alpha, and then I'll call that. Okay. Okay. But that's only called in what I'm doing. Do I use this anywhere? Alert. I need to replace these. Do that, and then I will correct that. Get into it one day. Yeah, coding is it's really difficult to start, but once you learn a few of the basics, it can be really fun. Pretty cool how much stuff you can create after you just learn basics like loops and variables. Basic program flow. I'll be right back. And then I'll fix all the fading. I know what to do now. Alright, sorry, microphone is muted. I could technically run ads on a BRB, but other people just enjoy the music. I feel like people would leave if there was an ad. I'm willing to pay them 1/100th of a penny to have them stay. The way I see it. So here, instead of text fade in, we do... like so. That should tween in the text now. Still got the sprite issue figured out. Finally, school's over. You're watching me in school. Okay, that works. I just need to fade in the sprite now and figure out what's going on here. Okay, cool. He has it. Yeah, this is called after it's initialized, so I don't understand why sprites null here. So we got like a... Yeah, here's what we got going on. That's a very difficult bug to debug when you're learning programming, but after you do it a few dozen times, you're like, oh, I made a local variable with the same name. That should be good now. Had a lax day. Awesome, those are nice. Alright, that looks good. Didn't crash. Just need the sprite to actually show up though. See, it's there, it's just not out. It's because that's 0 and not 1. I can actually a little bit unoptimized to do this, but clone these icons as we need them. So at the end here, you can destroy all the original icons. We don't use that anymore. I think all should be good now. Are you saving up for the 69,420? It's a worthy goal. Take a while though. Perfect. And make it fade in a little bit faster. Let's do that. Then we'll have it fade out and disappear after we cut one of the correct bushes. To demonstrate, the player has learned how to cut bushes. So that'll be one of those bushes. $20K one maybe? Yeah, that's a little more doable. For sure. Make a note of that fade in stuff I need to do. Keep a list of a bunch of voodoo stuff I find out on stream. That's just boring work that I'll do off stream. Alright, so we got this, the instruction test shows, and then when one of these special bushes hut. We'll get rid of it. Oh, let me just think how best way to handle. Thank you for the follow, Oren, by the way. I saw it earlier, I just didn't. I was talking about something else. Let me look at... So would it have to come from the bush? Yep. It's true, motivation's a powerful tool. Sometimes I wish I had more of it. Right now, they're like... these scripted bushes that I use in the intro, I believe are just identical to the normal bushes, except I used them just so I could get a reference to them from an event. Like, you thanking me for the content of the stream? Awesome, yeah. Always nice to see new people in here, especially people who've played Enchanted Cave. It's always good. Can I add a property? I mean, that's gonna be part of it, regardless, probably. Unless I linked it up to here, which would be also a possibility. Does have scripted break? I don't think I can use that though. Break. It's gonna do this. There are ways to do it. They're just ugly. We'll do it like this. We'll do a string. It's just null normally, and when we break, blah 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 blah. If break action is not empty, switch on that. We do case. Tutorial. Don't use tutorial anywhere else. I'll put instructions. And here's what we'll call a specific thing. It'll actually be... I'm gonna cheat for now. And add another method. Let's remove all instructions. I don't want to destroy it. So I'll call fading, and when fading's done, then I'll be good. But then, from the bush, to move fade out instruction, fade out instruction. I have to do some fancier stuff if I want to fade out a specific instruction. Might never need to do that in the whole game, so this is easier. Very interesting, the chances of seeing me on here. Walk into another game dev and ended up remembering I had stuff, so I check the email and search the name. Awesome. It's very cool. Yep, I'm still around. I'm still making games. Pretty happy about this one in particular. Oh, I got a brand new Twitch account too. Nice. Welcome to Twitch. I spend too much time on Twitch watching other people. So now that we got that set up, we add a string break action instructions. That's good. Spend too much time on Discord, yeah, that'll happen as well. So when we create the scripted bush, let's do it here. Plant break action. Do if it exists. Set that there. I think we should be good. Should be good, should be good. You see weird stuff on Discord and you're not even in weird servers. Yeah, I can see how that could happen. Definitely does depend on the servers though. Any amount of time on Discord is too much. I see that as well. I use it for work a lot though. Perfect. Fades out as soon as you cut the bush. I want to cut each one individually. Just to make sure it works. Make sure I didn't do a typo. I checked carefully as I was typing, but... Good. Like chatting, all good, all good. I love to see chatters in here. I don't mind just working mostly silently, but it's always good to chat a little bit as well. Alright, got one more. Excellent. Awesome. So, to recap, I think that's gonna be it for today. Let's get rid of that. Set this back to our spawn point. Save the map. And then to recap, this is what we got now. No more crash. We got our members of our party coming in, one by one. Theo gets trapped up by some vines, though. Excellent. And then we'll travel up here. There's gonna be some secondary dialogue here around this area, which is a dialogue mechanic I haven't added yet. It's gonna be like little speech bubbles that don't pause the game, so you can just do whatever you'd normally do, but the characters are kind of talking to one another. It's a nice little feature I want to add. So then when you get up here, even if you try to like sneak around this stump or something, I made the trigger wide enough. So this will teach you, it'll show the button, depending on what gamepad you're using. And when you cut the right bush, one of the right bushes, the instructions will disappear. Next up, we'll have a little tutorial on the combat. Just hectic right now. I have lots more combat adjustments to make. They're a little too aggressive now. Is the main situation. They never dodge. They just go in and destroy. But yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you all probably next Monday. It is gang violence. It's a little much for now. I'm gonna add some dodges in at some point. That'll be a stream or not. Next stream we'll probably just do more events. Just keep going along, do this prologue, and figure out what I need. But yeah, that's all from me today. Thanks for hanging out, everyone. And I'll see you later.